Hello, boys and girls. It's time to study English once again with Teacher Edrich of Tyrat Witaya 55 School. Today, I have here 4 dogs behind me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dogs, okay. And they will help us study some animals in the farm. We will be watching a video about farm animals. Let's start right away.
Today we're going to learn about farm animals. It got dark again. I'll use my flashlight to find them. I can see a silhouette over there. Which animal could that be? It's a cow. Cow. I love having cow milk for breakfast. Cow. I see another silhouette there. Let's see which animal is that. It's a horse. Horse. Horses are really fast. Horse. Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a sheep. Sheep. This sheep is so soft. Sheep. Let's see what we can find around here. It's a hen. Hen. Hens lay eggs. Hen. Let's see what we have over here. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. I love rabbit ears. Rabbit. There's another silhouette over there. What could it be? It's a donkey. Donkey. Donkeys say, hee-haw. Donkey. Let's see what other animals there are. It's a goat. Goat. Oops, goats have horns. Goat. And this is a silhouette of a dog. Dog. Dogs are humans' best friend. Dog. And that silhouette down there. It's a duck. Duck. Look at that beak. Duck. I think there's one silhouette left. It's a cat. Cat. Cats are very swift. Cat. My, so many animals. Shall we recap them so I won't forget them? Cow. Horse. Sheep. Hen. Rabbit. Donkey. Goat. Dog. Duck. Cat. Oops, it's getting late. I'm heading back home to make it for dinner. See you around.
So there you have it, boys and girls. 10 animals in the farm. Can you remember them one by one? Number 1, it's a cow. Number 2, horse. Number 3, sheep. Number 4, hen. Number 5, rabbit. Number 6, donkey. Number 7, goat. Number 8, all of them at my back, dog. Number 9, duck. And number 10, meow, cat. Okay, 10 animals we can see in the farm. Okay, until next time, goodbye.